How many people in this room have actually seen the Sick Puppies show at this one time? Be honest with me now. Make some noise if you've never seen Sick Puppies. Come on! There's a few basic rules, alright? There's like three main rules. For any rock and roll show, this isn't the Sick Puppies, this is a basic rock and roll show for anyone who hasn't been before. First rule is, when I say scream, you gotta scream, man. It feels good. When I say jump, I don't care which corner you're in or the front fucking row, you gotta jump with me and we're gonna do it together. The third and most important rule by far, ladies and gentlemen, is when I ask you, how do you feel, I want you to say, fuck yeah! Now, how do you feel? Fuck yeah! Come on, man, how do you feel? Fuck yeah! That's a little more like it. Now, here's what we're gonna do. Everybody that has seen Sick Puppies before, I want you to show all of our friends who haven't. Yo, Jay, get that thing. Everybody who hasn't seen Sick Puppies, I want you to learn from all of our friends here. At the end of this song, I want to hear the whole room screaming the words to a song we call My World. Let's do it together. Sing at the end, and it feels so good, man. It feels so good. Choice I wish I'd made, I always make it too late.